Everywhere you look today, one word keeps coming up: AI. AI stocks are rising fast. Companies are talking about AI non-stop, and investors are getting excited. But at the same time, many people are also getting nervous. They're asking a serious question. Is this an AI bubble? Because we've seen moments like this before. Big excitement, fast price increases, and then painful crashes. So today, let's slow down. Let's talk about this calmly. Is AI just hype that will fade away? Or is it a real technological shift that could shape the world for decades? This question matters more than most people realize. Because bubbles don't just cause people to lose money. They also destroy confidence and trust in markets. At the same time, ignoring real innovation can be costly too. Many people ignored the internet in its early days. And later, they realized they missed something important. So instead of fear or blind excitement, let's understand what's really happening. First, what does a financial bubble actually mean? A bubble happens when prices rise much faster than reality. People stop asking, how much is this company really worth? And start asking, how fast can I sell this for more? In a bubble, stories become more important than numbers. Hope becomes more important than profits. Now, let's look at why many people believe AI could be a bubble. The first reason is price. Many AI-related stocks are very expensive compared to what they earn today. Investors are paying now for success that may happen far in the future. And when expectations are extremely high, even good companies can disappoint. The second reason is hype. Suddenly, almost every company claims they are using AI, even when AI is only a small part of their business. We've seen this before. In past bubbles, adding a trendy word was often enough to attract money. The third reason is fear of missing out. Many people invest not because they understand the business, but because they're afraid of being left behind. Prices go up, more people rush in, and careful thinking slowly disappears. At this point, it really does sound like a bubble. But this is only half the story. Now let's look at the other side. Unlike many past bubbles, AI is already being used today. This is not just an idea. It's not just a promise. Companies are using AI right now to write code, to analyze data, to support customers, and to automate work. This is real activity happening in real businesses. Another important point is productivity. AI helps people do more work in less time. And productivity growth is one of the strongest drivers of long-term economic growth. That's why companies are investing so heavily in AI tools. Also, not all AI companies are just ideas. Some are generating real revenue. Some are making real profits. And some have strong financial foundations. This is very different from past bubbles, where many companies had nothing at all. Here's the most important thing to understand. AI as a technology can be real, powerful, and world-changing, but AI investments can still be overpriced. A technology can change the world and still be a bad investment if the price is too high. History teaches us this lesson clearly. The internet itself was not a bubble, but many internet stocks were. The technology survived. Most companies did not. A few winners went on to change the world. Many others disappeared completely. So the real question isn't, is AI a bubble? The real question is, which parts are real and which parts are hype? Strong businesses with real products tend to survive. Weak businesses that depend only on excitement usually don't. Long-term success comes from fundamentals, not headlines. AI is not magic, but it's also not just fantasy. Prices can rise, prices can fall, and volatility is normal when new technologies emerge. Both excitement and caution can be true at the same time. What matters is understanding the difference. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. There are no guaranteed returns, especially in fast-changing areas like AI. Believing in AI is easy. Investing wisely is harder. And confusing innovation with investment is where most people go wrong.